We all know that both lemon and baking soda separately already have countless benefits, but together they form a perfect mix to achieve iron health. Stick around because today I'll show you 6 benefits of taking baking soda with lemon while fasting. The recipe is very simple. At the end of this video I will show you how to make it and how they recommend ingesting it. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy more videos like these. Number 1. It regulates pH levels. It is proven that baking soda is a fantastic antacid that can help you with your digestion problems and can also protect you from contracting autoimmune diseases. This, coupled with lemon, which also acts as an antacid, will allow you to stay much healthier. Number 2. Improve your skin. The vitamin C that is found in lemon gives antioxidant properties to this fruit, so you will achieve a more cared for skin. And additionally, you can fight acne, reduce the signs of aging, whiten nails or exfoliate the skin. Number 3. Improves digestion. These 2 products will improve your digestion, which will help you not to have stomach pains or annoying gases that do not want to leave. Number 4. Strengthens your immune system. It is well known that lemon can prevent diseases that can develop in the intestine. Added to the antacid solution provided by the baking soda, it will help you maintain healthy body levels so that no disease can develop. Number 5. Cleanse your body of toxins. The diuretic properties of lemon will stimulate your body to purge excess toxins, salts, water and fats. This fruit is the great ally of the kidneys. Number 6. Protects your heart. Baking soda, in addition to all the above benefits, will help you reduce bad cholesterol and thus reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems. And now I'll show you how to prepare it. The recipe is very simple. It is best that you do it on an empty stomach, preferably before breakfast. Mix in a glass with water, a teaspoon of baking soda and the juice of half a lemon. If you decide to consume it for several days, you should not exceed 2 weeks. Give yourself a break and then it could be resumed. My advice is not to consume this product for long periods of time without medical follow-up. It is advisable to consult a specialist if you are taking medications before resorting to this antacid. Also remember to brush your teeth very well after breakfast, as the acids in lemon can be harmful to your enamel.